The entire tech world is buzzing with excitement about the upcoming launch of Samsung's flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra. As the release date approaches, leaks and rumors are flooding the internet, hinting at some truly game-changing hardware and software capabilities. Samsung is clearly pulling out all the stops with the S24 Ultra, particularly when it comes to artificial intelligence. The device promises to deliver unparalleled AI integration that could redefine our relationship with smartphones. In this in-depth video, we'll analyze some of the most intriguing S24 Ultra leaks so far concerning both the design and the advanced AI functionalities. Samsung seems poised to unleash a phone that demonstrates unmatched intelligence to cater to users' needs better than ever before. If the rumors are true, the S24 Ultra could be the most personalized and efficient smart device we've seen yet. Refined design with an emphasis on display. First, let's talk about the aesthetic upgrades. An updated render of the Galaxy S24 Ultra reveals a polished design centered around maximizing display real estate. The bezels around the screen look remarkably slimmer compared to previous models. Samsung appears to have achieved an even more seamless all-screen look. Specifically, the side bezels seem nearly non-existent. Even the front camera cutout has shrunk significantly. These design choices clearly emphasize uninterrupted viewing and interactivity, with content and apps taking center stage across the entire front face. The S24 Ultra prioritizes the user experience. Another leak showing screen protectors for the S24 lineup demonstrates consistent bezels so exceptionally thin that the devices look virtually bezel-less. This allows the gorgeous displays themselves, rumored to include enhanced brightness up to 2,500 nits, to shine as the main attraction. AI to streamline work and life. However, as stunning as the nearly borderless screens may be, the real game-changing upgrade comes from the amplified on-device AI. We already know for certain that the entire S24 collection will leverage AI to enable real-time translation during calls and messaging. This alone has the potential to tear down language barriers and facilitate effortless communication globally. But Samsung is taking things further. Leaks strongly hint at AI capabilities to intuitively analyze usage patterns and proactively provide suggestions and shortcuts. This means the S24 Ultra would learn your habits, understand how to help make your work and personal life easier, and take action on your behalf. For instance, by observing the apps you use frequently and how you interact across your digital platforms, the phone could simplify complex tasks. It could autofill information in forms, schedule meetings on your calendar based on past timing preferences, format documents based on your writing style, and much more. Essentially, the S24 Ultra could act as a personal assistant that gets smarter every day. One rumor even indicates it may write and send emails without any typing needed from you. Simply tell it what you want to convey, and it handles the rest. Your own virtual travel agent. Moreover, through studying your location data, search tendencies, and schedule, your S24 Ultra could turn into your own virtual travel agent. Imagine you have an upcoming work trip or vacation abroad. Well, without you needing to lift a finger, your device could take note of the destination and travel dates. It could then automatically monitor traffic patterns along your route, keep you updated on flight train times, inform you about expected weather so you pack accordingly, recommend sightseeing attractions, and provide currency exchange rates. And as the dates approach, the S24 Ultra could suggest downloading apps and services you may find useful during your travels, such as ride-hailing platforms or restaurant finders. It essentially acts as your personal concierge, handling the itinerary details, and all powered by integrated AI. The possibilities seem endless. These are just a few examples of how the amplified on-device intelligence could create a smoother user experience. Rumors indicate that Samsung has seamlessly baked AI capabilities into the S24 Ultra across a wide array of functionalities. From hybrid working to content creation and media consumption to simplifying various daily tasks, the potential seems vast. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may take personalization and efficiency to unprecedented levels in a smartphone. It could be the ultimate customizable tool tailored to users' habits thanks to the depth of Samsung's AI innovation. Beyond intelligent capabilities, amplified AI features definitely seem to take center stage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has some other intriguing upgrades in the works according to leaks. As Samsung's premium flagship device, we expect exceptional capabilities across the board. Let's explore what else this powerhouse phone likely has in store. Unrivaled visuals. In the display department, the S24 Ultra may raise the bar in terms of both smoothness and brightness for a truly top-notch viewing experience. Rumors suggest the 6.8-inch OLED display will enable an even faster 144 Hz refresh rate, a nice step up from the 120 Hz limit on the S23 Ultra. This buttery smooth scrolling and visual fluidity boost promises to shine while gaming or consuming media. Additionally, noted leaker Ice Universe claims the S24 Ultra screen will reach an astounding peak brightness of 2,500 nits, which blows away the S23 Ultra's 1,750 nits. That's significantly brighter than leading competitors like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Expect stellar HDR effects and easy outdoor visibility. The enhancements add up to a display built to impress. Revamped camera system. While camera specs remain uncertain, Samsung is likely cooking up impactful imaging upgrades to deliver their best mobile photography yet. That massive 200MP main sensor found in the S23 Ultra? Reports indicate it may get even larger to absorb more light. Combined with a brighter aperture, low light performance could see a healthy bump. This gives the S24 Ultra a fighting chance to dethrone its rivals as the supreme camera phone. We may also witness a shakeup regarding optical zoom capabilities. One convincing rumor proposes a 10MP 3x telephoto paired with an upgraded 50MP 5x telephoto lens. The megapixel boost for that 5x optical zoom over the S23 Ultra's 10MP lens means markedly sharper images, especially when zooming further digitally. Additionally, Samsung itself already unveiled a clever AI-powered zoom technology called Zoom Anyplace. This uses AI algorithms to stabilize framing and track subjects even while fully zoomed, drastically reducing shaky footage. If Zoom Anyplace makes it into the S24 Ultra as reports indicate, we're in for a treat. Blazing speeds with cutting-edge silicon. Expected performance gains come courtesy of Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Built on an advanced 4nm process for power efficiency, this processor delivers speed and capabilities ideal for AI. An improved CPU and GPU translate to whiplash responsiveness and buttery smooth gameplay up to 144 frames per second. Samsung may release an overclocked version too, making the Galaxy S24 Ultra potentially the fastest Android device ever for all tasks. Even the advanced onboard AI functionalities should run seamlessly. Gamers in particular will cherish the 40% faster ray tracing graphics rendering. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, the sheer speed promises desktop-like performance in your pocket. This hardware seems overqualified to handle anything from video editing to augmented reality. Subtler yet meaningful battery upgrades. While battery capacity may remain unchanged at 5,000 mAh, rumor suggests two key improvements coming. First, Samsung plans to implement denser battery cell stacking technology to squeeze more juice efficiently in the same footprint. Second, charging velocity may finally get a boost from 45 watts on the S23 Ultra to a much zippier 65 watts charging on the S24 Ultra. Faster refueling combined with enhanced power management signals excellent battery life. The icing on the cake is an upgraded vapor cooling system to prevent overheating during intense gaming or shooting 8K video. The S24 Ultra seems to check all boxes regarding stamina and charging. As the launch nears, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has established itself as a phone poised to drive innovation on all fronts, from humanized AI to visual polish. With qualms about the predecessor's camera and battery addressed, Samsung's ultimate 2024 flagship shapes up to be greater than the sum of its parts. Well, that's all for today. The next generation mobile experience seems extraordinarily promising. We'll be sure to keep you posted on any final revelations before the anticipated launch event. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you all in the next one.